Can you hear that?
Yeah, I can.
No, not you twonk. I'm talking to YouTube.
The twonk.